Okay, so it's the third day of the tuna bonanza at Shelly Beach. Everything's been good up until now. There was no fatalities, nothing's wrong. We just had a skipper earlier that gave a call to Shelly Control to say that his steering mechanism had broken. So we launched Rescue 20, Spirit of Dawn, with the intention of going to fix her. A kind fisherman who's a local boat mechanic got on the boat and temporarily fixed her. But we were not happy with the temporary fix, so we decided to take her under tow anyways. Put her under tow. Unfortunately, the tow line parted, which is a part of the game. We quickly reloaded, everyone was sorted out, and we beached safely, and no further assistance was required. We hope that the rest of the competition will be incident-free and that there will be big fish coming out soon. Thank you.